slavery in the United States became illegal. The 14th Amendment covers equal protection under law for all Americans, not just for white men, which was essentially who the Constitution was originally written for, but for all people. The 15th Amendment is specifically about citizenship and repopulation. What is an American citizen? What defines who is an American citizen? That is what the 15th Amendment covers. So 13, 14, 15, abolished slavery, representation in Congress, and also equal protection under law. Now, your question at this point might be, if those amendments do those three things, why were later acts of Congress and laws needed to have what is spelled out in these amendments? So, for example, the Civil Rights Act, the Fair Housing Act, the 20th Amendment, women's right to vote. Why were those needed if these amendments did those things? The answer to that is some states, mostly southern states, the states that seceded from the Union in the Confederacy that caused the Civil War, those states began writing laws after the Reconstruction amendments to say, we're going to find a way around this so that black people still can't vote, so that they are not represented in Congress, so that women can't vote. So the Civil Rights Act and the Fair Housing Act and the 20th Amendment, all of those things became necessary because states chose to fight the Reconstruction amendments. So that is how black people in America, whose ancestors were dragged here and enslaved, became full United States citizens. So those of us who can trace our ancestry back 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 generations are birthright citizens. What does birthright citizenship mean? That phrase has been tossed around for the first 6 months of this administration. What does that mean? It simply means because you are born here, because you are born in the United States,